Good day, students. Today we want to solve problem under angle of elevation. What you need to do is to interpret your question appropriately. Let's see what's on the board. A vertical inaccessible mountain XY standing on a horizontal ground ABX. We could see that horizontal ground is ABX. The alphabet has to be labeled on the horizontal ground. And if X is at the horizontal, automatically Y will be at the top. Is that okay? A vertical inaccessible mountain XY standing on a horizontal ground. Now let's have our horizontal ground. Let's take this to be our horizontal ground. Okay, horizontal ground. We now have A, B, X, horizontal ground, and X, Y standing on the horizontal ground. We know that Y will be at the top. Okay, let's continue. If the angle of elevation of the top Y of the mountain from A and B are 30 degrees, the first angle goes for the A, while the second angle for the second alphabet. Okay, now let's have our vertical line. Now X or Y is here, and we are told the angle of elevation from A, the first one goes for the first angle go for the first alphabet 30 degrees, while the second one 70 degrees go for the second alphabet. Okay, this our angle 70 degree. The angle, you can see the angle of elevation of the top Y of the mountain from A and B. Always take note, the first angle go for the first alphabet, the second angle go for the second alphabet respectively, and AB, line AB is 500 meters. Calculate correct to 2 decimal places line BX. This line BX. Okay. So to the and also the height. Let's take the height to be H in meters because AB is in meters. Okay. Now this is what we are looking for. Also line BX. Now don't forget that our this is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. Okay, the adjacent. Now we are going to follow Socatura. Now let's pick this. If you are taking this angle, we are going to join the whole line together because the angle take care of the whole line. When you are considering this angle, consider BX. When you are considering this angle, consider AX. Now what you now do is that since we are dealing with opposites and adjacent, you now be tan theta. We are using this TOA. Tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. Now what's the angle? Tan 30 degree equals opposite, which is line XY over line AX, line AX. Okay, now you have tan 30 degree to be equals to line XY is H over this line, that's line AB plus line BX. Okay, which is H over what's line AB, 500 meter, 500 plus line BX is unknown, and that was how to look for line BX. Okay, now from here let's cross multiply. You have tan 30 degree to be equal to H over 500 plus line BX. Here you cross multiply, this over 1. Now H equals tan 30 degree open bracket, because this angle is multiplying everything, 500 plus line BX. Okay, now let's see the other angle. We have tan 70 degree also. Let's call the equation 1. Tan 70 degree equals opposite, we are still following this tour, opposite over adjacent, which is H over line BX. We cross multiply this over 1. We are having H equals line BX multiplied by tan 70 degree. Let's call this equation 2. Equation 2. Okay, let's put it down for clarity. We cross multiply, we are having H equals line BX multiplied by tan 70 degree. Equation 2. You can now say, because we are looking for BX, since we have H equals this expression, H also equals to this expression in the second equation, you can now say equate equation 1 and 2. Equate equation 1 and 2 together. In that case, now because both of them are both height, you can now say line BX tan 70 degree equals tan 30 degree open bracket 500 plus line BX. Okay, what we need to do is to open the bracket. We are having line BX tan 70 degree equals 500 tan 30 degree plus line BX tan 30 degree. Now let's collect like terms. Okay, now this BX tan 30 degree move to the left hand side. Line BX tan 70 degree minus line BX tan 30 degree equals 500 tan 30 degree. Okay, and since we have an expression like this, we are going to factorize out what is common. You can see that BX and BX is common. We now have line BX open bracket tan 70 degree minus tan 30 degree equals 500 tan 30 degree. Divide both side by 10, 70 degree minus 10, 30 degree. Also divide this side by 10, 70 degree minus 10, 30 degree. Cancel each other. You have line BX to be equals to 500 tan 30 degree divided by tan 70 degree minus tan 30 degree. Now line BX equals 500 multiplied by tan 30 degree. When you press your calculator, is 0.5774 divided by tan 70 degree, that's 2.7475 minus tan 30 degree is 0.70 we have here 0.5774. Now line BX equals, when you multiply the numerator, you're having 288.7 divided by, into the subtraction of the denominator, you're having 2.1701, because when you divide, you're having 133.04 meters. Okay, to two decimal places. Okay, now we have gotten the first part. Now the second part, that's the B part, we are looking for the height of the mountain, and from the expression we are having H to be equals to line BX tan 70 degree. We got it from here. You know, we have this opposite and this is adjacent. Can pick this adjacent tan. We got it from here. Gotten from this expression, tan 70 degree. Got it from tan 70 degree because opposite tan 70 degree. Got it from tan 70 degree equals opposite over adjacent, which is H over line BX. Okay, H over line BX. Now we now cross multiply. That's how we got this. Okay, now you now have H to, because what's line BX, you got it to be 133.04 multiplied by 2.70 degree, 2.7475. Your H now equals 365.53 meters to two decimal places. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.